waste is a non-trivial ticket item as well. There's a lot, and it's not only the waste of food, but a lot of the materials and packaging and so on that is associated with food. So it's not only like the scraps and so on, but it's all of the packaging and plastic and cardboard and that comes with our processed food today. Any reduction of that is also very important. And not only in terms, and there's two dimensions, that waste is a double-edged sword because it contributes in a non-trivial way to the overall carbon footprint of food, but it also releases other types of harmful substances in the environment that end up in the air and then end up in the soil and that end up also in the water. So a lot of the, these chemicals, the inks and so on, and dioxins associated with plastics and so on, are really, really bad, both for human health and for the ecosystems, for wildlife and plants as well. So that's certainly an area of action. And then following up on your other line of reasoning, you're absolutely right. Changing even one day a week, like going green, going vegan one day a week, or doing, like some of the changes that I was suggesting in my presentation today. I was mentioning that, for instance, if 100 in our study, if we took 100 of our study participants who are non-vegetarians, and they made a choice to become semi-vegetarians, okay, 100 of them, that's a relatively minor reduction in the intake of animal products. That would have set the manufacturing of two cars, of two, like medium-sized cars. If those same 100 non-vegetarians decided to become lacto-ovo vegetarians, so just adding, eggs and milk, but no other meat protein, that change for 100 people represents about offsetting the manufacturing of 10 Mercedes S-Class per year. So that's what, things get interesting, where really relatively, small modifications start translating into, again, big results, big dividends in terms of your overall carbon footprint.